Hello guys, welcome to Pre.Code and today we are solving this easy peasy problem called linked list cycle. And this question is most favorite question in all the companies. In this question, basically we have a linked list of node n and we have to detect that there is a cycle inside this no list or not. Okay, that's it. If we have like the 3, 2, 0, -1 and at position 1 we are getting a node that will connect from 4 to 2. That means there is a cycle, right? So here it will return true. Yes, has cycle, true. Okay, so what we can do, firstly we can take a one vector vector of vector. We can say we can also able to take unordered set. Okay, list node and visited nodes. Okay, so we can track down the visited nodes, and if we have that node again in this approach, simply a basic idea is that if we can visit the any node again, then we get out from the race. Okay, so while head is not equals to null ptr, then if this head is not equals to null ptr, that means we have to iterate all over the list. So head dot next. Okay, with the help of this we can able to iterate all over the linked list. Now we have to add the item in our unordered set. All the nodes should need to come inside this visited node, and if this visited nodes already have that node inside it, that means we can visit this node in later. So we have to return cycle true, and after that we have to return false. Run it. Yes, it works. But in this approach, we have extra time complexity of O of n as per the notes of list node. Okay. So in this case, time complexity is basically O of n, but time complexity of sorry space complexity of this program is O of n. Okay, this is the main problem. We are not solving this question by this approach. Okay, we can also do this thing in O of n, but space complexity will be O of 1. So in this approach, the basic idea between this approach is that one person will go two steps at once, and one person goes single step at a time. So there is a point where both slow pointer and fast pointer will met together, and if they both are met together, then a cycle will be detected automatically. So what we need to do, Firstly, we can clear this. Okay. So now we have a pointer which points to the head, name called slow pointer, which points exactly to the head, then list node star fast. This one will be the next part of this fast. No, we can also start both by the starting. So while there is some condition, then if slow is equals to fast, then that means there is a cycle, else else slow will point one step and fast will point two step at a time. Next, next, comma, next. Okay. So and if there is no break, then then if this whole while loop is not break, that means uh there is a end at the end, and we have to return false here. Okay. So basically, fast pointer will move every node by skipping one step between them. So we can catch the slow pointer if there is a cycle into it. Okay. So condition will be fast is not equals to null ptr, and fast slash next is not equals to null ptr. Then okay, I think everyone will be understand these things. Okay, what I get? Slow pointer. Okay, list node. Sorry, I am so sorry. It's my mistake. And run it. With this problem, we have space complexity of SPA. Space complexity will be of 1, and time complexity is of n. Okay.